Okay, I went to Get Lost Shave Ice in Virginia Beach because they've been having Labubus available on Saturdays. Sometimes, not all the time, not every Saturday. And I got this one, and my husband got this one. So this is what you can get. This is the exciting macaron version, and there's a secret one that is 1 in 72 chances, and then the rest of them are like different macaron flavors. So, and you know the Labubus, they have this little shiny QR code, means that they're legitimate. So this is my very first one of these. I don't know. Oh, it's cute. And it comes with this toffee. So I assume this is the one we got, the toffee. It's like a little cardboard like hanging thing. Super cute. It is toffee. My screen went off. This is really cute. See? So adorable. Some wonky fur. But see the foot? It's got a thing. The eyes are cool. It'd be fun if it was scented, but it's not. So that's my first one, and it's a hanging one. And then this other one is a sitting one. And it is the Have a Seat Labubu. I guess they're just the regular Labubus, the different regular characters. And then there's a secret one, which is also 1 in 72 chances. So there is a markup on these, so they're not regular price. And I mean, obviously they need to make a profit for selling them, which is not surprising. And then also I assume they have to deal with the tariffs. So I'm not going to look and see if there's a cardboard thing in this one, because I want to be surprised when I open the package. So here's the package. I haven't seen the sitting ones in person. Oh my goodness. Oh, it is a sitting one, but it also hangs. I didn't realize. I thought it didn't hang. Because there's no, I think this is hee. So, because there's no like hanging thing on the picture of this, but these other ones, they do have a hanging thing. So, oh my gosh. And then this got the little engraved Pop Mart logo. So super cute. And this one doesn't have the it doesn't have a cardboard thing. That's not the right one. Sorry. It's hot out here. So this one has a little card. I like that way better. So hee hee. And toffee. And to be honest, if I was gonna pick like a macaron that I like, I would have picked toffee out of all these flavors that they have on the package. So yay, I'm very excited, and I can't wait to put them on my bags.